I was so entertained watching this episode of Ithonga, and I really do want to talk about it here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now I've been seeing that many viewers of Ithonga are divided about Makhumalo and Pablo's relationship. Some think that they would make a great couple, while like me, some don't want this Mjolo to take place. And by the look of things, like many of us, Zama, Mbongeni and Sanel do not want this Mjolo thing. Now Pablo and Makhumalo decided that they are going to have a supper where both families, Omagwaza and Ontans, will sit together, have lunch and get to bond with the family to be, not knowing that it will all end very badly, which was actually funny to watch. In fact, it started with Zama and Sanel. Remember that they don't get along after the fight that they had Ngomembeso Sanel, so they couldn't even hold hands during prayer, even with Mbongeni. I mean, I also didn't allow my brother's wife to get married to another man, more especially if that man is a person whom I always fight with, and I know that that person is chopped like Untanzi is to Omagwaza. I would never. I really don't know what Makhumalo and Pablo expected to gain with this. I mean, with so much rivalry within the family, I don't see this Mjolo happening or being successful. I also wonder what Makhumalo's team when she finds out what she married a guy and fooled him to believe that Ubanel was killed by someone else. This is really interesting to watch, ladies and gentlemen. So comment in the comment section, share your own thoughts and opinions with regard to this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.